This is HOVERAir X1 Pro, and today I'll show how you can cycle through different flying modes on this drone. So in the beginning, you will need to take your drone and activate it by pressing and holding the power button for a few seconds. Allow a few seconds for the drone to power on.
Current mode, cycling mode.
And once it is properly launched, use the left and right buttons on the joystick to select
Dolly track.
the desired flying mode.
Orbit, follow.
Once the preferred flying mode is selected, simply start flying your little drone. And as far as this video goes,
Device will hover
that will be it.
after completing the
So thanks for watching, and bye bye.